Hello supply chain friends. So recently I have made a number of videos on supply chain certifications, such as the cost of supply chain certifications, do supply chains really help you in job search, or the top 5 supply chain certifications that you can look at. And since then I've received a lot of questions that if we need more help to prepare for these certifications on top of the materials that are provided, where do we go? So in this video, I will cover with you the top 2 options you have to prepare for your APICS supply chain certifications or ASCM supply chain certifications if you are in the United States, India, or Canada. My name is Jamil Hai and I've been working in supply chain management positions across South Asia, Middle East, and North America for the last 20 years. And my mission is to help you build real life skills for your job and career that they don't teach you in college. And if you are preparing for a supply chain job interview anytime soon, you should definitely book a session with me, because I'm going to take your resume, the job description you're applying for, and based on a combination of those two and my 20 years of experience, will give you some laser guided tips and tricks which will maximize your chances of success. So go ahead now and book your session. So let's start with the United States first. So in the US, if you want to get additional preparation support for an APICS certification on top of the materials that are provided by ASCM themselves, the best options are, number one is the Penn State University Mont Alto campus, where they provide an online preparation for the different programs in APICS, especially the CSCP. And then you also have got the option of preparing from the University of Maryland Global Campus. Now let's look at them one by one. So starting with the Penn State Mont Alto campus. By the way, Penn State University in Pennsylvania has got a number of campuses. This is one of them. And you can see here they provide some focused preparation for the APICS CSCP certification. I don't think they provide preparation services for the other programs that APICS offers. But you can see here it's a 39-week program. It costs $1,700. And they've got their contact information if you want to know more about the program itself. So that's an option to prepare. Of course, this is going to cost you more money on top of the very expensive exam cost and the materials cost. So just keep that in mind as you go and explore these resources. Similarly, when you go to the University of Maryland Global Campus website, they also offer preparation. I think they are trying to offer more than just the CSCP. However, I think right now they are only focusing on the CPIM and CSCP programs. They are in the process of offering it for other programs as well. And you can see there is a lot of coming soon because they are preparing for the CLTD as well. So if you look at just the CSCP program, you can see they've got a 12-week preparation option available that you can use to prepare for this particular program. Now let's move to Canada. Now in Canada, the best options if you want to prepare for the APICS certifications is first of all, it's the British Columbia Institute of Technology. Keep in mind, this is not UBC, the famous University of British Columbia. This is a different institute. So they offer preparation. If you are on the West Coast, this could be a good option for you. And then if you are on the Toronto side or the East Coast side, then the ASCM Toronto chapter is very active, and they also offer preparation options for your APICS certifications. So let's explore them one by one. So first of all, when I go to the supply chain CSCP website for BCIT, you can see there's a course overview. They are just kind of introducing you to the CSCP program. One thing I think they have upfront clarified at the very start is that the cost of the program is 3 times for international students, and you'll see what the actual cost is for local students in a second. So they've got some learning outcomes here, as you can see here as well. So the cost of the program, as you can see, is about $886. So if you're a local student, then it's going to be at $86 for you. If you are an international student, just multiply that by 3. So it's going to be around like $2,700, which, remember, is going to be on top of all the materials cost you pay. So it's going to be pretty expensive for you if you go with this option. You can see there is an offering right now going on from April to July. It's a 14-week preparation program with the name of the instructor and so on. So if you really think you need that additional help and you are on the western coast of Canada or anywhere else as well, because I think this is virtual, you can take this program from the BCIT Institute. Let's also explore the ASCM Toronto chapter. Now, ASCM Toronto chapter is very active because I've spoken to some of their members as well. They are extremely active, and you can see on their website here that, of course, not only you can purchase the regular materials and the preparation exam, but you have an instructor-led option, and when you click on that, you can see here they've got a lot of social activities going on. They have got a Toronto chapter, a Peel chapter, which is focused more on Mississauga area. Here you can see they also do like, you know, Toyota tours, which, by the way, I did it last year. I posted on my LinkedIn as well. And you can see as you scroll down here, throughout the year, they have got different learning opportunities. Here is the CPIM course preparation, which they are offering as well. And then, of course, there is so many other things going on their website. And of course, when you click on contact us, if you want more information, then you can go and put your information, and they will reach out to you on how you can enroll to some of those preparation programs. And finally, let's move to India. Now, in India, the best two options for APICS CSCP preparation are, the first one is KnowerX, and the other one is VinSys. Let's explore them one by one here. Let's start with KnowerX first. So here you can see that KnowerX is an ASCM Premier Elite partner. They have been doing this for many, many years. So this is their CSCP brochure as an example. You can, of course, I mean, there is a lot of generic text here. Their relationship with APICS goes back all the way up to like 1985. So they've been doing this for a very, very long time. Very experienced group of trainers as well. And you can see they do a lot of industry training with some of the leading names in India, such as Ambuja Cement, Aditya Birla, and so on. And of course, as you scroll down, you can see the different modules of the CSCP program, which we have covered in our previous video, so I'm not going to go there. Although the cost is not called out on this brochure, but I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a fraction of the cost that I covered for US and Canada. So you can definitely explore that. All this contact information is there, as you can see over here. So this is the first option, which is KnowerX. Let's look at the second option, which is VinSys. So on VinSys also, this is a 5-day program. You can see, like, you know, the pace of the preparation of these programs in India is much faster. Like what is taking 14 weeks in Canada, they are doing in 5 days, which is good because, you know, that also positively impacts the cost of the program. And you can see, once again, there's a lot of general information about the program itself, your eligibility criteria, and so on. Once again, they have covered the different modules here. And of course, there is a corporate learning and online learning option. And once you enroll, you can get more information. So, and you can see it's a pretty popular program, lots of 5 stars, about 5,300 participants. And then you can, of course, follow their enrollment process to get more information about the specific costs that it will take you to prepare. Once again, remember, this is coming all on top of the materials fees you pay and the exam preparation fees you pay. So all these options are really for people who don't think, or they are not confident enough that they can prepare for this program on their own. And keep in mind, these exams are really tough. I think I've mentioned this on some of my previous videos as well, and also to a number of my coaching clients during my coaching calls, which is that even when I gave the CSCP exam many years ago, I was very confident that, you know, I've got like 6 or 7 years of experience in supply chain at the time when I gave the exam. So it should be a walk in the park for me, but it wasn't. With about like 6 years experience at that time I had from Proctor, and with almost, I think I prepared for like 3 to 4 months. I barely passed in that exam. I think if I had gotten like maybe 5 questions wrong, I would have failed that exam. So because the questions are very insightful, they are not like easy yes or no questions. So you really need to make sure that the answer choices you select are the right ones, because that requires a mixture of some experience and a lot of study of the materials, and a lot of course, you know, common sense as well. So therefore, if you feel you need that additional help, I've shared with you all these options in this video, which I hope you will find them super helpful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I've also made videos on topics like the top 5 job search platforms for supply chain jobs, and also the top 5 procurement courses that are offered for free, which you can watch by clicking over here. Keep watching.